Hey traders, oh my gosh, hey. So listen, I was just looking at the charts and I'm like, wait a second, Pengu is up 6% in the last 24 hours, like actually up trading around $0.0081 and the volume is just pouring in. It's wild, right? And now I'm sitting here thinking, is this like the real beginning of some big bullish momentum, or are we all just getting totally faked out? I know. Classic crypto chaos. So anyway, we put together this whole Pengu price prediction breakdown, support levels, upside targets, all that good stuff. And it's over on our Patreon. If you're curious, seriously, go take a peek. The tester plan is just $10, 10. It's like to dip your toes in and see if this vibe fits your trading style plan. Links in the description, super easy. And hey, just remember, please always do your own research. This is not financial advice, just us chatting, okay?